You've seen your cat make this face, right? The stink face. You think they smelled something gross, but they're actually downloading data with a secret second nose. It's called the phlegm response. They're not breathing, they're pushing air up to a special organ in the roof of their mouth, a high-tech scent analyzer. And when they do it to you, it's a full forensic analysis. They're not just smelling you, they're reading your entire day, where you've been, who you've been with, and what other animals you've touched. This second nose is so powerful, it allows them to detect one single scent particle in 1 billion. So that funny face, it's not disgust. It's your cat reading your diary.